Hello guys, another day, another haul vlog again. So this time I'm going to show you the fruits and vegetables I bought, guys. So here we spent 10 euros and 72 cents. So these are the prices of the fruits and vegetables we bought, guys. And you see here, guys, this 10 sorry, the 10 cents you see here, guys, is the price of the plastic bag. More or less 6 pesos and 50 cents. So, nagkamali po yung ating vendor. Binigyan niya ako ng plastic. Sabi ko, meron naman akong eco bag. But anyway, guys, ayaw ko naman pong mapahiya yung ating vendor. So, binayaran ko lang na lang, guys. So, 10 cents lang naman. Pero alam nyo guys, pag naipon yung 10 cents na yan, dadami po yan. Pwede natin ilagay sa ating alkansya, o diba? So alam nyo naman po, nagtitipid po tayo para may pampadala sa Pilipinas. Ayan, mega love shoutout po sa mga OFW dyan, related dyan, na kailangang magtipid para may padala sa pamilya sa Pilipinas. Yan guys. That is sign of love sa ating mga pamilya sa Pilipinas, diba? Sino po mga related dyan? So, let's start, guys. Pues, these are, what we call this? Pimiento Italiano Rojo. Ayan, guys. Ayan, paprika or red pepper. This is 1 euro and 29 cents per kilo, guys. I bought only 3. Kasi po, madali po siyang masira kahit nasa loob siya ng refrigerator. Ayan, guys. Kung minsan, guys, I am eating this fresh. Kasi basta hugasan lang siya ng mabuti and you eat fresh, guys. And it's good when it's still crunchy. So, it's good quality, guys. Ayan. 1 euro and 29 cents per kilo. But I only paid this one for 43 cents. Ayan. Next, we have, I bought this time, guys, red peach. Gustong-gusto kasi ng anak ko ito, guys. So, instead of buying nectarine, I bought this one, guys. Wait, ano siya? Hindi ko naman mabasag yung plastic. Kasi, alam nyo, guys, gustong-gusto ko rin ito. Ayan, para makita nyo, guys. Kasi yung, the normal peach is yellow. And this one, they call this melocotón rojo or red peach, guys. You see, it's like it has fur. Yung bang pelahe kasi ang tawag nila sa Spanish, guys. Yung parang ng pusa ba? Ayan, balahibo ng pusa. Pero it's very fine, guys. Okay siya, guys, but when it's still hard, I prefer when it's hard like the nectarine or other peach, guys. Mas masarap kasi siya. Ayan. Mas masarap siya pag matigas, o diba? Gaya din pag matigas ang puso mo, hindi ka nila lulukohin, diba? Ayan, charot. Si Erisken kasi, kung ano-ano pinagsasabi, nagchacharot-charot lang yan. So guys, I bought also tomatoes. You see guys, ano siya? Malalaki po yung nabili natin. We bought big tomatoes this time. And this is second, ano ba yun? Hindi siya first class, guys. It's second class. And this is 1 euro and how much per kilo nito, guys? Mahal siya eh. 1 euro and 29 cents, guys. So, ang first class kasi this time is more than 3 euros or more than 2 euros. So, I bought only this second class tomato. This is already 1 euro and 50 cents, guys. This one. More than 1 kilo na po siya. Itong red tomatoes. They call this, I'm not so sure, guys. It's like tomate canario, something like that. Because here they have different varieties of tomatoes. So they have this offer this time, the second class, as I am saying. And then I bought again 2 heads of garlic, guys. 1 euro of garlic this time. It's a bit cheap, 4 euros and 99 cents. But I only bought 2 because I still have 1 head of garlic here. at home, guys. Next, I bought okra again, guys, because I see it's fresh and they are fresh and it's small. So I am going to prepare dinengdeng again this time. 1 kilo of this is 4 euros and 99 cents. But I still have lots of okra in the freezer. If you remember the last video I have for my dinengdeng is it was frozen okra. So this time, guys, I am going to use fresh okra for my dinengdeng because I bought again Gabi Concepcion. Ayan, mega love shout out again sis JRS Ramos. May Gabi Concepcion tayo ulit. Ayan, Gabi, Taro, or Malanga, guys. So I bought only 3 for my dinengdeng tomorrow because I still have, what we call this again? I still have mushroom in my refrigerator, so I am going to cook dinengdeng again with this and mushroom, and I still have ampalaya or bitter gourd or bitterness. Ayan. I also bought here onions, guys. It's still expensive, the onion this time, 1 euro and 20 cents per kilo. I hope it's not bad inside because the last time I bought the white onions, even though it's expensive, it was rotten inside. So I hope this one, it's not rotten this time, guys, because it's 1 euro and 20 cents per kilo. And the last but not that least, oh my god, you see, guys, ang bigat. A moment. Ang bigat. It's heavy, guys. What I bought here. A moment. It's very hard when you are holding one hand is for taking the video and the mouth is much talking and talking. Ayan, nagmamarites po tayo habang nagbi-video. So this time, guys, I bought potatoes. I mix with I think red potatoes, guys, because sometimes these white potatoes are not good, so I mix them, guys. But anyway, guys, when you peel this these potatoes, I should say, my god, nabubulol po tayo. When you peel these potatoes, they are all yellow inside, so it's not bad, guys. But this one, guys, it's good. Sometimes I prefer to buy the red potatoes because aside from it's good for frying, it's also good for boiling. Ayan, guys. So these are all what we bought for 10 euros and 72 cents, guys. So by the way, guys, here it's obliged you bring your eco bags because here, guys, they are what we call this, they are taking advantage of selling bags or plastic bags. You see, guys, this is already 10 cents, and the other day I also bought one plastic bag. It was 12 cents, 12 cents, 10 cents every plastic bags, guys. If you keep that money, you can earn something. So it's better you bring your eco bags, guys, because I have here my eco bag, but accidentally the vendor put me this one. But anyway, guys, I'm going to keep this and put in my bag so that next time I won't pay another bag again. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for your kind support to Leilani Ceramic Vlog. As I have said, your support and your help to my channel, your full watch and not skipping of ads is your help to my charity group in the Philippines. So thank you so much, guys. Adios, ciao, ciao, au revoir.